Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Canva on Windows 11 PC. You know, Canva is the most popular online-based photo editing or image editing application. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Canva desktop application on Windows 11 PC and how can you use it. So at first I open my browser, I search Canva for Windows. So I hit enter. Then it show me first link. This is the Canva official website. So I go to this link. And then I click on download Canva for Windows. It show me that download is starting. So download is completed. So I minimize my browser and this is the setup file of Canva. I double click on it and it's starting installation. Installation process take few seconds to few minutes, so we need to wait to finish installation process.